And one of the things about these phones as I carry them around for both my work and personal life is that they have lots of really, really critical information to me, stuff that I don't want to lose. So my photos, my text messages, some important contacts, and certainly some customers have Exchange or live services which back up some of that information, but not everyone has those services, and not all of that information is backed up. And so if I lose my phone, I'd hate to lose all this information. And I think something like 12 million phones were lost just in the US last year. So to solve that problem, we are showing the new Microsoft MyPhone service here. Let me switch to the PC. And so with this service, I have about 200 megabytes of storage to back up all of that really important information. And I'm going to jump right into photos in this case. And as you can see, here's that photo that I showed you that I wanted to back up. Now, before I got on stage, I did know that people were going to want to see a picture of me and Dana, so I did a little bit of creative editing and cropped a couple pictures together, which I will show you. There you go. And I'm going to upload that now. So this is going from my PC to the MyPhone service. What do you think? Do you think they'll buy that?
I don't think they'll buy that. We look like it together, but yeah, I think we'll see it.
At least I'm good looking, right?
Okay.
So if I go into context now, I want to set that same picture as Dana's contact card information. So I hit edit here, and same picture. So this is pretty easy. I back that up. Now, as I mentioned, my phone gets backed up at about 1 o'clock in the morning or midnight every night. In this case, I don't want to make you all wait that long, so I'm going to force the sync on my phone. And so you can see the picture and how it shows up on my phone. In the meantime, let me just walk you through a little bit of the capabilities of the MyPhone service. So I have access to my calendar. I can manage my calendar from my PC or phone. It's always backed up. I can even manage my tasks. So we know a lot of people perform tasks or set tasks with things that they're doing on their PC, and all of that gets backed up and is up to date on the phone as well. Sorry, I should have actually clicked on task there. I can even back up my videos, my music, and in my case, even my documents. So I use the MyPhone service to back up my grocery list, and as I update things, they get updated on the phone. I also want to jump into text messages, and this is one that's pretty important to me because I think there's a lot of very personal information that you really want to keep that's stored on your text messages. And obviously, if your phone is lost, all those text messages are lost. But also, in a lot of cases, you don't want to have all your text messages on your phone. Maybe there's some old messages from ex-girlfriends, things like that you want to keep, but shouldn't be on your phone. And so you can do something really, really neat with the MyPhone service. So I'm going to search through all of my text messages for the ones that have the word ski in them. And I can press Archive to Web. So what this will do is pull the text message off my phone, but back it up to the MyPhone service. So I always have it for me if I want to go back and look at those old texts, but they're no longer on my phone. It's a pretty cool scenario there, and a good way to keep my information. Of course, if I lose my phone and I go out and buy a new Windows phone, all of the data that's stored on the MyPhone service is restored to my new phone as well.
Okay, well that's cool because as you said, millions of people lose phones, so that's cool.
So let's switch back. So, MyPhone service here. Luckily, I can back up multiple phones with my phone. And right from the home screen, I can get into my pictures. Here's the picture of the two of us that I synced down. I think this is a winner. And I can go right now to the Start menu and open up Contacts. And the neat thing about Contacts in Windows Mobile 6.5 is that we've updated this so it's a lot easier to find the people you're looking for. I tend to just look for people's pictures rather than actually look for their names. It's a lot easier. And there's Dana, so let me open this up.
Well, there's a picture of the two people.
Yeah, it's a very, very rich kind of experience on my phone, and really makes it very easy. Oh, it looks like I have a new text message from Dana. I'm really excited about the ski trip. Can I bring my boyfriend along? What's going on?
Oh, you know, maybe she's my sister. Thanks very much.